In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable Windows 10 automatic update permanently. I will show you all possible methods to stop Windows 10 automatic update permanently. First of all, go to search. In search, type services. Right click on services. Click on run as administrator. Scroll down. Here you will find Windows Update. It's enabled and running right now. Right click on Windows Update, click on Properties, and the service status is running right now. Click on Stop button. On Startup type, Automatic is selected. Click on the drop down and select Disabled, and then click on Apply. Click on OK. Close services. Now second method, insert type gpedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, expand Windows Components, scroll down, and here you will find Windows Update. Click on Windows Update, and you will find a setting here, Configure Automatic Update. Right click on the setting and click on Edit. Here Not Configured is selected. Select Disabled, and then click on Apply. Click on OK. Close Local Group Policy Editor. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run, type gp update space /force. Now click on OK. Updating the policy. Computer policy update has been completed successfully. Now the last method, go to search. In search, type regedit. That means Registry Editor. Right click on Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator. In Registry Editor, expand HKey local machine, then expand Software, scroll down, then expand Policies, then expand Microsoft, select Windows. Under Windows key, you need to create a sub-key, Windows Update. Right click on Windows key, go to New and click on Key. Type the sub-key name, Windows Update. Under Windows Update key, you need to create another sub-key. Right click on Windows Update key, go to New, click on Key. Type the name AU, select the sub-key AU, right click on empty area, go to New, and click on DOT 32-bit value. And type the registry setting name No Auto Update. Right click on the setting No Auto Update, and then click on Modify. Under Value Data, O is selected, change it to 1, then click on OK. Now close Registry Editor. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power, then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your Windows 10 computer's Windows Automatic Update is permanently disabled. That's it.